And welcome back to the second channel, everybody. Wait, hang on, wait. Let me see. I've got an issue with monitor. There we go. Fixed. Welcome. If you do not know this game, it is please donate, like clean up, please donate. So it includes like you got the developers, Quanton staff, and you got influencers over there. So today I'm gonna go slap some people. Is this donation board? How much is Bo? Bob Pays has donated 20,000. I'll donate 5 Robux. Well, I got Monster Energy. I apologize for that. There we go. Give them some Robux. Right, let's see. Here we go. Here we got 2 booth modelers. I like the booth modelers. We've got a programmer. Yeah, I like the programmers. Is Candles? Oh, isn't this the guy that like got donated 10 mil or something? I could be wrong. We've got Hazem. No, I'm just kidding. Hazem, I'm sorry. I love you. I'm sorry, Hazem. I'm sorry, Hazem. We got Copperfull. I like him. He does the booths as well. Soundtrack, bro. You're talented. I love you. Kirby's. Oh no, you were the one that got donated 10 mil. Bang, let's go. Let's go over here. Okay, we've got Quanton staff. Okay, let's see. We've got Pays, bro. Pays is pretty epic. We've got Subskull. We've got Zlyke. We've got Xenox. Yeah, I'm just kidding. I just love you, Xenox. We got, I don't know how to pronounce that. We got Keywill. It's not the, like, actual please donate, like the guy that made the thingy. This game. We've got in Sliced, we've got Mr. Popped Corn, we've got Robloxy. These guys can pretty much stay, This is all Quanton, and I appreciate Quanton. They're pretty good. They're pretty good people. Okay, there we go. Back to spawn. Okay, let's go back to spawn. There we go. Okay, influencers. Here we go. Ugh, let me get a drink. Hang on. Wait. There we go. Very good. Okay, so we've got Egg Crow. I like him. He did like a stream. Project Supreme. I know I know. Steak, bro. Let's give it a steak. Flim, you can stay. Don't know. I can't remember. Eagle Eyes, you can stay. Dylan's can stay. Laquate can stay. Mark the Heroic. Olix. Bro, okay, only 2 British people can stay here, okay? Only 2 British people. You didn't reply to me on Twitter. Bang. There we go, that's what you get for it. Let's see, DSPCEO. Actually, he did retweet one of my tweets. Can I take it back? I can, never mind. Let's see, Unshakable Official, you can stay. You can stay, DV was taken, who's that? I don't know. You can stay, Aussie, bro, you're Australian. Bang, get out of here. Rainway can stay. There we go, sub to Bob Look, I agree. You can stay, sellout streamer, bro. Bro, who's this? Bro, who's this? Bro, I missed. There we go. Okay, who's that? I have no idea. Sensei Fish, you gave me like 300 Robux. Thank you, I appreciate it, bro. Python main, you're epic, and you can stay. There we go. This is like the smaller version of what's it called? Like please donate thingy. It's pretty cool. Not please donate. Sorry, the like clean up Roblox. What's in the shop? But what's in the shop? Can I get a burger? You can buy cheeseburger. You can buy pizza for 14 Robux. But all of this is 14 Robux, dude. All of this is 14 Robux. Okay, I might not buy anything from shop. I've already donated 5. But it's still very epic. If you did enjoy, leave a like, subscribe. Bye.